Alrighty guys, we're just gonna quickly go over a quick DIY soldering system that anybody can install. It takes maybe 5 minutes if you do the cords. If you get the cords already done, it takes you no more than 2 minutes to install. As you can see right here, I have the Victron Smart Charge Controller. It is super useful, super easy to use. I recommend everybody getting this. You can connect it through Bluetooth and get a very good layout and details of what's actually going on with the system. Next, we'll quickly just come down here. This is the battery box. This is the second part of the system. Right here, as you can see, I have my lithium battery in here. I just put a little hole in the battery box. I got this battery box already pre-made. It's $40 for this battery box, brand new. So, then yeah. All the other thing you need to worry about is your PV, which is just your solar system. Well, your solar panel. And my solar panel is currently outside and it's nighttime. That's why it's just flashing blue right now. But yeah, that's a super simple, easy DIY solar system that everybody and anybody can do. It will take you less than 5 minutes, and if you get the cords already pre-done, right here are the wires that you have to put in. And I got a special fuse just to make sure that everything was going to be all good and safe. So yeah guys, super simple, super easy DIY solar system. Don't forget to like and subscribe.